Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this rechargeable book light, which is exactly what it says. A 500 milliamp hour USB charging, brightness adjustable book light. So I take it out of here. For the box, you have a very nice little book light. So essentially, you're able to put this on the cover of your book, and then you hit your power button to turn on your light. There's of course a few brightness levels, and this is even adjustable as well. And it does include a little instruction manual in case you need that. And then that's the different color lights there. Now it doesn't come with a charging cable because you'd literally just use this to plug it into your computer to actually charge up the battery. And then, it just slides right back into here. So to show you it on a book, you take your book like this, take this and slide it right on the back, angle it however you want, hit your power button, and now at nighttime, you'd be able to read your book before you go to bed. So that will essentially do it for this rechargeable book light. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.